DDG 2102, Introduction to Multimedia, Week 3. Great job so far on Weeks 1 and 2. Week 1, just getting comfortable with the fireworks dashboard, the Chapter 1 book project, and the Halloween e-card, which was a lot of fun. Week 2, we started delving into states and pages, and we did create a little basic symbol for interaction. And the modern item announcement was the bigger homework project, whether it be a robotic vacuum cleaner, maybe a robotic lawnmower, or maybe one of the smart devices like the smart smoke detector, or a car that drives itself, or a Segway, or any number of modern items nowadays, curved TV, that we could build an advertisement around. And that brings us to Week 3. So we explored the basic dashboard of fireworks Week 1. We studied a little bit about pages and states in the Chapter 2 project that you did, the book project, with the out-of-book, little bit more involved announcement design, modern announcement design. And that brings us to Week 3. We're actually going to spend Week 3 learning how to use the bitmap tools a little bit inside of fireworks. It has just enough tools for bitmap image manipulation that allows you to insert a picture and not have to go into Photoshop in order to do some basic raster-based manipulation. So let's go into the Week 3 folder. And the classwork is the Chapter 3 book project. So we'll just go in there real quick just so that we can recap. Remember, you submit by clicking on this link. We have the source files for Chapter 3. I have a little how-to video for how to use bitmap tools in fireworks, which I think is a really good video to watch. And so that's about a half an hour project, maybe 40 minutes for the chapter project. In class, we've inverted the classroom where you're doing the book projects at home and we're doing the homework projects in class, so we can do a little bit of critiquing as necessary. So let's go into this week's homework project because the book project is using the bitmap tools in fireworks. And this is a really fun one. This is an 800 by 800 image collage. All we're doing is pictures, and the theme of the 800 by 800 image is my favorite things. So we're creating an image collage about your favorite things. All the images can only be manipulated using the bitmap tools in fireworks. And it needs to be made up of 20 images. So all those favorite things of yours, maybe you like to go to the beach, maybe you like to jet ski, maybe you like to paddleboard, maybe you like to play golf, maybe your theme is everything outside that you like to do. So you need to find 20 different images, and we're going to collage them into one solution. I always think it's important to kind of sketch out your ideas first. Everything has to be compiled in fireworks, which means any image manipulation has to be done in fireworks. If you're cutting something, if you're adjusting the color, if you're adding an effect to it, has to be done in fireworks. You have to use 20 images, and I'd like you to use 5 effects: glows, shadows, bevels, those sorts of things. Well, obviously there will be 20 layers because you're using 20 images. Remember, you want to try to make it as clean a composition as possible. You want to make it appear as though it is a single image, even though you're using 20 different images. The book project, Chapter 3, will kind of delve into the selection tools and the clone tool and the erase tool and the basic bitmap tools in fireworks. And then the homework project will be, okay, let's take those skills we learned step by step and let's build a finished collage. 800 pixels by 800 pixels, 20 images to make up one image. Remember, it's theme-based, so it has to be my favorite things. And that could be a lot of different things. So 20 images sounds like a lot, but when you're only taking pieces of an image, 20 images adds up really quickly. So great job so far, weeks 1 and 2. Let's keep up the good work. Don't forget about the discussion boards. I'd like to kind of get you guys interacting in there each week. So I'm looking for the week 2 for people to get in and post something. And then we'll just kind of keep going it. It's just a nice way to interact as a class. I know we do meet or we chat a lot, but I'd like to kind of keep some discussion topics going with you in the discussion board. So have a great week, week 3. It's hard to believe already. We're a fifth of the way through the semester. Boy, time flies. So enjoy week 3 and keep up the good work. Okay, bye.